This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome home to this stunning new construction. Featuring 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an inviting open floor plan, this home is designed for modern living. The large front porch is great for relaxing or entertaining guests. The kitchen is a chef's delight, offering an island, pantry, and ample storage space. Need more room? The unfinished room over the garage provides endless future possibilities such as an office, playroom, or guest retreat. Don't miss your chance to make this beautiful home yours. December 14, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Old at 252-207-3435.